In this lecture, we will learn all about grouping, differentiation, and technology. So what are the elements of effective instruction beyond a good lesson? Well, teachers must know how to adapt instruction to students' levels of knowledge. According to Carroll's model of school learning, effectiveness of instruction depends on time needed, a function of student aptitude and ability to understand instruction, and time actually spent learning, which depends on time available, quality of instruction, and student perseverance. Now, the QAIT model of effective instruction identifies 4 elements that are subject to teachers' direct control: quality of instruction, appropriate level of instruction, incentive, and amount of time. So, how are students grouped to accommodate achievement differences? Many schools manage student differences in ability and in academic achievement through between-class ability grouping, tracking, or regrouping into separate classes for particular subjects during part of a school day. Untracking means placing students with mixed ability groups. The students are held to high standards and provided with assistance in reaching those goals. Now, non-graded elementary schools combine children with different ages in the same classroom. Students are flexibly grouped according to their needs and performance levels. But what are some ways of differentiating instruction? Peer tutoring and tutoring by teachers are all methods of individualizing instruction. Research supports all of these solutions. But what educational programs exist for students placed at risk? Students defined as at risk are any students who are likely to fail academically for any reason stemming from the student or from the student's environment. Such reasons are diverse and may include poverty. Education programs for students who are at risk include early intervention programs and special education. Federally funded education programs include, for example, Head Start, which aims to guide and help preschool-age children from low-income backgrounds to achieve school readiness, and Title I, which mandates extra services to low-achieving students in schools that have many students from low-income families. Extra services include tutoring and continuous progress plans. Research supports the effectiveness of many prevention and intervention efforts, such as reading recovery and school reform programs such as Success for All. After-school and summer school arrangements are increasingly funded by federal, state, and local education agencies to extend students' learning time. But how is technology used in education? Technology is used for many purposes in education. For example, teachers use technology such as computers, multimedia, and presentation software for planning and presenting lessons. Students use technology such as word processing and tablets for learning and preparing presentations. computer-assisted instruction in the form of drill and practice, tutorials, instructional games, and the internet is widespread. Intentional teachers use technology to accomplish well-defined goals that they cannot accomplish as well without technology. They recognize that there is no magic in the machine, but that technology can enhance their teaching, assessment, planning, and record keeping. Also can help link students to information, resources, and other students. The teacher's task is not to hand out digital devices and hope for the best, but to playfully use the capabilities and technology affords to improve student outcomes. They may use technology to engage students and also to connect with other teachers elsewhere and share lesson ideas, content, and advice.